We're here today in Ysgol Gogledd to deliver our Leaders of Learning training. The main purpose of the Leaders of Learning role is to provide mentoring for every member of staff in every one of our primary schools. The reason we've appointed them is because we know that they are our expert practitioners in our schools, and they will provide their knowledge and expertise and share that knowledge and expertise with other members of staff.
My name's Louise Roberts. I'm a Year 2 teacher in Ysgol Glengelly, and I'm here today. I've been a part of the project from the beginning, and just to develop more understanding of it and share good practice and ideas with other members of staff who are hoping to go on the same journey as me.
Mae'n bod yn bleser bod y rhan o'r cynllun yma. Mae'r cynllun yn wefreiddiol, mae o'n unigryw, mae o'n wahanol, mae o'n rhywbeth dwi'n meddwl bod neb arall wedi ystyried i wneud, a dwi'n meddwl bod ni wedi dod yn bell iawn mewn blwyddyn.
The best part is watching the pupils, how engaged they are. They love the session, they are fully engaged for the whole time. You're giving them opportunities to be creative, to be independent. It's very much a child-centred approach. So to see where they take you with a session, and because they feel that you're using their ideas, they are fully absorbed.
Excellent. Well done, everyone, and stop.
I really enjoyed working with other staff in other schools because even though I'm a so-called expert, it's lovely to get other ideas off other people, and you learn things from going around at the schools and seeing how they do it. Just having the opportunity to share good practice.
Ond mae yna rei athrawon wedi bod mor frwdfrydig am hwn, a maen nhw wedi cymeryd yr owena, maen nhw wedi arwain, a maen nhw'n nysu I gael mynd â fo ymlaen. A mae gennym ni dystiolaeth o hyn, achos mae'r ysgolion cynnar fydd ni yn nhw. Mae rei o'r athrawon o'r ysgolion hynny rwan wedi gofyn I gael bod yn arweinwyr ac I fentora hwn ac I fynd â fo gam ymlaen. A mae'r brwdfrydydd yma yn braf I weld.
I went to watch Mike to see how he would mentor the staff. So going in, watching how he delivered the sessions, had a good look through the pack myself. Slowly, week on week, I was taking over the process, taking the session myself, leading it with the pupils, slowly mentoring staff at the same time, which is the most difficult part of it, is mentoring and taking the session.
Mae chwaraeon wedi bod yn rhywbeth sy'n agos at yng nghalon ni ers blynyddoedd maith. A mae gen I ddiddordeb mawr yn efo, gen i'n gweld prosiect fel hyn, lle oedd o wir yn datblygu sgiliau elfennol plant. Mae hynny'n, dwi'n meddwl, yn gyfle ffantastig. A mae o'n siŵr o godi safon, a mae o'n siŵr o wella sgiliau'r plant.
We've been involved with the physical literacy scheme since before Christmas. Mike came in to mentor all the staff in the school. Everybody had 4 sessions. The children really enjoyed the sessions.
I mean, we've been so lucky. I mean, we were one of the first schools to have the physical literacy project start. And it's just been such an opportunity. I can't believe how positive our teaching staff have been over this. They just love it. Every one of them, from the nursery class right the way up to Year 6. And what we found, it's just given the children so much confidence, so much motivation-wise. I've never seen anything like it. The skills that they're developing is just being used right the way through.
Mae y Llythrennedd Corfforol yn nifer o bethau. Mae o'n sgiliau corfforol, mae o'n hyder ac yn cymhelliant, yn wybodaeth ac yn ddealltwriaeth ac yn nifer o gyfleoedd. So mwyn cael gwybod pa gyfleoedd mae'n pobl ifanc ni eisiau cymryd rhan yn it, mae'n bwysig bod ni yn siarad efo nhw a mi ydyn ni'n gwneud hynna trwy'r cynllun llys gynhadon ifanc.
I've been working a lot with the school council this year to develop our playground further. So they've decided on a plan to zone the playground into different areas of physical and creative activity. We've got a junk shed. We've done a lot with Rich Play, so the school council have written to local companies asking for junk or offcuts of things they don't want to hopefully improve that resource as well.
Fi'n credu bod y cais y dysgwr yn hanfodol bwysig oherwydd mae bob peth da ni'n gwneud, mae'n meddylfryd ni gyd ar eu cyfer nhw ac mwyn I gwella nhw yn dydi, ac os dydyn nhw ddim yn gallu rhannu barnau efo ni a bod nhw ddim yn rhan o'r broses, wel dydy hynny yn elw a neb, felly iddyn nhw fod yn rhan o'r broses, mae'n bwysig iawn bod ni yn gwrando ar eu llais nhw.
Mae'r cynllun llysgynhadron wedi datblygu llawer dros y flwyddyn diwethaf. Mae gennym ni llysgynhadron efydd yn un ysgolion cynradd ac yn ysgolion uwchradd mae gen bob un ysgol uwchradd i gyngor chwaraeon ysgol yn edrych yn benodol jyst ar chwaraeon. A mae hynna'n rhoi cyfle i llysgynhadron o blwyddyn 7 i blwyddyn 13 i ddod at ei gilydd mwyn trafod yr cyfleoedd sydd ar gael iddyn nhw yn ystod y gwersi ac yn allgyrsiol ar ôl yr ysgol ac yn y gymuned hefyd.
Yn ysgol Dyffryn Conwy, da ni wedi adnabod bod lefel cyfranogiad y merched yn isel cynrychiol 3, 4 a 5. Da ni wedi gwneud dipyn o waith gyda'r merched, wedig efo'r cyngor chwaraeon, a maen nhw wedi blaenoriaethu codi lefel cyfranogiad y merched i fyny lle. Da ni wedi rhoi rhaglen at ei gilydd o weithgareddau mae'r merched eisiau ei gwneud, a mae'n hynod o bwysig bod ni wedi gwrando ar y merched, a dyna pam mae yna cymaint o ferched wedi troi fyny i'n sesiynau ni, ac o holiaduron da ni wedi gwneud, maen nhw wrth ei bodda gyda'r sesiynau yna, ac isio i ni rhoi mwy o sesiynau ymlaen yn y dyfodol lle. Da ni hefyd yn gweithio'n agos gyda'r gymuned, mae'r clwb rygbi yn gweithio ar y cyd gyda'r ysgol.
Yn mis Tachwedd, blwyddyn dwytha, nath Nia Roberts ata fi a gofyn swn i fodlod i hyfforddi'r genod o fan hyn yn clwb rygbi Nant Conwy. Oedd yr amlwg bod pobl isio chwarae rygbi yn yr ardal. A oedden nhw wedi cychwyn yr ysgol efo sesiynau yn fanno lle gyda Elin Royal. A wedyn dyna be oedd yr link perffaith i ddod i fewn i'r clwb wedyn a roedd y cyfle iddyn nhw chwarae ar ddy Sul yn fwy na dim ond yn yr ysgol.
A dwi'n edrych ymlaen yn arw iawn i'r camau nesaf, achos o ystyried lle da ni rwan ac o'r lle oedden ni, a'r datblygiad mor gadarnhaol sydd wedi cymryd lle, mi fydd hi'n hynod o ddiddorol i weld lle fydden ni o fewn blwyddyn. Dwi'n teimlo'n yn gyffyrddus iawn bod ni'n mynd i'r cyfeiriad iawn, a dwi'n teimlo bod yr athrawon yn prynu mewn i hwn, a maen nhw yn ei fabwysiadu fo efo'r brwdfrydedd yma.
The basic skills that those children are learning and practicing within the school life has also impacted on their other subjects, and it really has made a difference.
We want every child to be physically active, and physical literacy will be the key concept to enabling this to happen. Making sure that our children are exposed to high quality PE, have the right knowledge and understanding of why physical activity is important, will enable our children to become physically active for life.